Hey, what's up guys? It's Desert Activities Productions coming at you with another new video. Our last video was about, I want to say 2.5 weeks ago. We're still trying to work on being consistent. However, with work, life, and then other things happening in the background, both of us have been real busy lately. However, I was able to edit and drop this video for you guys so you guys can enjoy. So this video will be about my Ford F250. It's a 2014 with a 4.5-inch rough country lift kit. It's basically just springs and shocks on the front, and then on the back, on the rear, it's basically stock. When I say stock, it just has 2.5 blocks. So I decided to buy rough country, the rough. Oh my god, I can't speak. The rough country coilover kit. So with the coilovers, I decided to install it, and I've been driving it for the last week and a half, and so far I've been enjoying it. I do have it on number 4 setting, as you'll see. On the meantime, you'll be able to see the difference between regular springs and the coilovers. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.
my 450 big block, Lord, which you have seen fit to take from me in your jealous rage. We had best reap your holy rewards in tonight's drawing of the Tricky 2 Jackpot Extravaganza. You best to make it so.